how slippery are those trails?
Woo! So, the plan was to do Bright Angel Trail this morning. And we got on it, we got about 15 feet down to it, and honestly, like, between the crowds of people without appropriate footwear and without having our yak tracks on ourselves at that time, it just wasn't safe. It's extremely steep, set of about a vertical mile back and forth of switchbacks, and if there's ice on that surface, especially in the shady spots, and people slip, they're gonna take out everybody with them. So it just wasn't for us this morning. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna grab our yak tracks from the house, and then we are going to go out to the Kaibab Trail, which is also another mule trail, pretty popular, but probably less crowded, we're thinking, which is what we're going for. We made it, South Kaibab Trailhead, and it's absolutely stunning. It's warmer today, and you can just see for miles. This is the Grand Canyon everybody comes to see. I almost forgot to turn on my watch. And set for a hike, and go. See how far we go.
Hi, Mom. There's a big cliff here. You would love it. Look how narrow this is.
We made it down to Cedar Ridge, which is our final stop on the South Kaibab Trail. We could keep going, but it actually took us almost an hour and a half with all the traffic on the trail to get down here. So we figure if we double our time on the way up, that's pretty significant. So this is going to be it for us, but definitely if you decide to do this, stop at Uwa, which is really beautiful, but come all the way down to Cedar Ridge because it's just amazing.
I mean, it's your first time, if this is the only trail that you do, it's the first time you're below the rim, which is only 5% of the population that comes to the Grand Canyon. And it gives you a different perspective because now you can see up the canyon walls versus just looking down at it.
Yeah, you can see the supergroup, which is the uplifted, tilted rocks. You can see where the river's cutting through. It's just a whole different perspective, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Definitely worth it.
Ready?
Almost.
268 stairs ascended, and we are stopped.
Why are we stopped here, Kate?
It's not something that happens on every trail in the world. We actually just got stopped at a bottleneck because the mules were taking a break. How crazy is that? Well, we made it all the way back up about a mile, actually a lot faster up than we did to descend, and we're about to hit the shady patches again, so it's time to put the spikes back on. speed of 1.5 miles an hour because we fast. And according to my watch, we burnt 759 calories. Not that that really matters.
Whew.
Whew.
It was beautiful though. Definitely worth it.
Now it's time for a beer.
Hey, they're clean again. You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's get going.